Hi, I'm Subramani from Share Office Solutions. Here we have in both a segment. Share Office is a co-working company. So we situated in Indranagars, and also we have come across with the third project, which is in Indranagar again on double road in a central of Bangalore. That is even we individual office also we will four five floors. So we like to give the client who's looking for 3000 SFT completely furnished and cabins, sufficient cabins and conference room, centralized AC, executive chairs and tables and workstations, pantry, toilet, all fully set up. The client can come, even the completely done by IT setups also in the that particular floor, and two-wheeler parkings are under the basement. The client, which other client can approach this office, like it is suitable for all call centers, software companies related, hardware, financial company, insurance companies, consultancy, CA companies, NBFC banks, or you want to like to run any of the clients wanted to combine and like to work with us for the co-working, that is also helpful for us to run a show in this same building. And over the relocate peoples, that definitely will be suitable. We bought it down for the COVID around 50% on the rent. Even the advance also we're looking for 5 to 6 months of the advance. And this one very big opportunities for the client who is looking for office in central of Bangalore, Indranagar, all are nearby. Example, MG Road, Brigade Road, and Domlur, Airport Road, Old Airport Road. This side, if you see Fraser Town or KR Prom, all are the hub. Metro, Indranagar metros and Ulster metros are very near for us. So please feel free to call us, and fully details and my personal numbers will be given below. Please call us for the more details and come and have a look, and you clients will get it to know completely what is the category of that office, what we are talking about, the commercial buildings and the well occupied furnished office. I'll see you soon. Thank you so much. Hi, I'm Subramani from Share Office Solutions. We are into a co-working company. We have our three centers in Bangalore right now. So we want to expand our business. We have other projects come across in Indranagar. Again, it is comes on 12,000 square feet, which is 12,000 each floor, 3,000 square feet, fully furnished office. We like to take it out that office for another our third, fourth project. If any of the business owner like to combine with us for investment around depends investment, we have discussions we can discuss. And now the co-working concept is working 80% down the line. 80% my all the projects are 100% filled. 100% is occupied occupations, even the COVID time. The reason is behind our pricing is very competitive price, and we like to retain the business in a proper manner even the COVID time. We give it for all our client also very good discount on the renting, monthly renting part. Whoever the clients are want to continue even though COVID time, we given the best pricing part, all this. So we like to make it clear for the investors and partners or sleeping partners. any financiers or anybody, this is a right business. You people definitely can approach us. Below number can be given. I'm a founder of the company. You can interact with directly with me. In below there is my numbers are given. Please contact us quickly. And the very good properties are in the Indranagar areas, and that is the areas happening in and around. Keeping in things as what I mean, central Bangalore instance, every clients wanted to, that is a hub actually, MG Road or banking sectors, or let me keep it other financial sectors, and say uh, metros, and company called marketing companies. All it's more companies are in a central of Bangalore, that is called Indranagars, and in and around just a 1 kilometer from MG Road, you can say. So please contact us. We'll have more discussions on the table to understand. Thank you so much.